Hey everyone, welcome back to Scale with MM. We've reached the end of our customer service series, but today we're dealing with something every business owner faces, and that's how to handle difficult customers professionally. Because let's be honest, it's easy to deal with happy customers, but what happens when customers become unhappy? That's what makes or breaks your brand. Before reacting, try to understand why customers get upset. It's usually not personal, it's frustration, confusion, and feeling unheard. When someone feels ignored, emotions usually take control. That's why your first job isn't to defend your business, it's to listen. Use empathy phrases like, "I completely understand where you're coming from. Let's work together to fix this." Empathy first, reaction later. That simple shift changes confrontation into collaboration. When emotions rise, professionalism must rise higher. It's easy to take things personally, especially when you care about your business. But remember, at that moment, you are the brand. So rather take a deep breath, keep your tone calm, and instead of saying that's not our fault, rather try saying, "I see what you mean, let's see what we can do to fix it." And that's how professionals turn pressure into progress. Customers don't want explanations, they want solutions. Even if it's not your fault, take responsibility for the next step. Offer solutions such as, "We can replace the product immediately," "We can issue a refund," or "Here's a faster alternative." Transparency beats perfection every single time. When people see you taking action, they see your brand as trustworthy. Every difficult customer is a free training session. After resolving the issue, go back with your team and ask, what triggered their frustration? Was there a systems gap? Could we have communicated better? Turning negative feedback into operational lessons builds stronger, smarter businesses. So remember, difficult customers aren't enemies, they're mirrors. They show us how we can improve and grow our business. When you handle them with empathy and consistency, you don't just resolve issues, but you build trust, loyalty, and recognition. Thank you for watching the series. And with that, we've reached the end of our customer service series, but there's another big topic coming soon. Just don't forget to click like and subscribe. Click that button and subscribe. Thank you.